Today you're going with me to Micro Center. Welcome to my nerd trip. I need to go get some memory from my computer. As y'all know, I'm always building this computer to get the ultimate music production, video, whatever PC. Although I know it'll probably been cheaper to get a Mac. Now will faster memory help me? Honestly, I don't know. But it's in sale, and I love Micro Center. I'm always here. If you ever want to catch me, just come to St. David's Micro Center, Pennsylvania. I'm always here. Alright. I come here because the deals are great. I mean, this store has everything. And the return policy is awesome. Look at these deals. This store has everything. It's like a Toys R Us for adult nerds. Yeah, so I need to find the memory section. It's not there. It's not here. I think I'm getting closer. Nope, that's not it. Okay, here we are. Man, look at all of this memory. I'm telling you, this is like a candy store to a fat kid. Yeah, okay. I think I found what it is I want. Alright, so I have this old memory that I'm going to return in exchange for this new memory. The old memory wasn't fast enough. That's only 48 megahertz. This new one is 6,000. Now this should be able to help me transfer memory faster, and we'll see. Alright, so now my system is like the ultimate now. This is the last piece I needed. So let's get back home and let's install this, and I'll let y'all see me do that. Alright. Back on the road. My reasoning behind all of this is just because I do a lot with sound design, and I just need no obstacles in the way. I use my computer for sound design, video editing, graphic design. I just need a powerhouse of a computer. So I went all out. I could have probably just got a Mac when I just think about it. I'd probably been less problems. But it is what it is. Let's get back home and let's install this memory. My never-ending pursuit of getting a trouble-free computer. So I went to Micro Center today, and I got this so I can have more ports on the back. And now I also picked up, as I showed earlier, RAM. So this is DDR5, 6,000 megahertz. My motherboard here, Asus ProArt, is specially made for creators. And to be honest with you, since I got this motherboard, it's been helping to alleviate a lot of my problems. And if you want to get the full speed out of this motherboard, you have to put it in slots 2 and 4. And this is 64 gigs, 6 gigahertz. All right. All of this for MPC. Alright, I did it. It's that 64 gigs and running at 6,000 megahertz. We did it. Congrats to me.